Hello together. Whoa, as I yesterday did pulled pork and the video is in addition, it's very cold. Well, but nevertheless, we are gonna do some paella on the grill. So today we're gonna do a paella with lamb chops, some pepperoni, non-spicy. Look, I just did it. I just marinated with salt, pepper, and olive oil with some fresh herbs. We got curcuma, we got garlic, we got onion, rice, the pepperoni, and some stock. Yeah, some salt and olive oil. So let's get started. I got preheated the barbecue. We got our paella pan, olive oil. This is just cooking olive oil, regular one. Just let me remove this, which is easier to cook. We are just gonna sear on both sides our lamb chops. Oh. Now we're gonna add our onion in the middle. Together with our garlic. So now we're gonna put them on the side. We're gonna add some curcuma or turmeric. Yeah. We're gonna Now I have 1 cup of rice. So as you may see, this is a big paella pan I'm using today. It's just a little bit, rice, no, just 1 cup. It accept more, but I just wanna do it just a little bit thin, the paella, and also because everything wouldn't pass in the big one, in the small one I have. Yeah. The evaporation here is more. Instead of 3 to 1, I'm using 4 cups of the stock instead of the regular 3 I use. Yeah. So now just that the rice gets spread through the paella, so the paella to the pan. Now we're just gonna top it with our lamb chops. So now we are just going to be careful with the heat, not too much heat. So we're gonna reduce a little bit. We have the 4 burners on. These 2 ones, the side one just low, and this one medium high. And after a while, we're gonna make them outside burners just high and this low. Okay, so let's make it. Boy, now it's time to lower the heat on the middle burners, and on the outside make it full, and just reduce here and on the side ones. So our paella is almost done. Just need to turn it off and let it cool down 10 minutes. Just cool down, and we'll see you later on the table. Voy a ir ahorita a comprar a Aldi.